Plastic dumped into the ocean is causing many problems to marine life, which many times leads to their death. Dumping of any type, either it could be direct or indirect, it is ultimately polluting ocean. Whales, a huge marine animal of up to 30-meter long, are also becoming victim of plastic garbage. Here's a well-found victim of plastic intake by which her digestive system is completely blocked. The plastic piece was found around 6 square meter in area. Plastic not only affecting marine life but also affecting birds and land animals. Here we can see a bird died due to intake of plastic. Around 234 pieces of plastic found in bird's stomach, which weighs around 10 to 15% of its body mass. Around 90% of birds engulf plastic at least once in their lifetime. Now let's see some of the facts to get an overview of plastic production in the world. Over 63 billion gallons of oil are used every year to supply just the US with plastic water bottles. Just US alone throws away 38 billion bottles every year. That's 2 million tons of plastic going into US landfills. By the year of 2050, when population would be 10 billion, plastic production will be triple of now. How plastic spreads in ocean. Plastic not only covers the smaller portion but it spreads in full ocean due to oceanic currents and which is driven by air and water currents. When animals eat plastic, they are also consuming toxins attached to plastic which on digestion mix with bloodstream and result in malfunctioning of vital organs. We as humans are also indirectly consuming these toxicities by consuming seafood. These toxicities lead to cancer, and as we can observe nowadays, many people die of cancer. Let's look at some of the solutions. In Pasig River, a river in Philippines, under Pasig River Rehabilitation Commission, in some streams they use two techniques to detoxify water. First is bioremediation, in which they use natural organisms to break down toxic substances into less toxic or non-toxic substances. And the second is phytoremediation, in which they use green plants to detoxify soil and water contaminated with heavy metals or excess minerals. For example, vetiver grass, which filters out sediment, improves soil strength and recycles soil nutrients. Second solution is in US Navy. US Navy has 4,500 sailors on board and it was difficult to dump that much plastic waste. So they looked for green solutions and developed a machine which is made of steel and is capable of process waste material. In that mechanism, they use technique called pyrogenesis, means the destruction of combustible waste through use of plasma torch. This basically changes the molecular structure of waste to simpler forms, which is biodegradable. This is also affordable. You can make the positive impact by just avoiding the single use of plastic. In 1991, Germany became the first country to make plastic manufacturers to recycle plastic they sell, which is recognized by the green dot. Now in Germany, at many places they have installed recycling machines which reads barcode and tell which kind of plastic it is and from which retailer it is, which then sent back to the retailer. There should be norms for the plastic manufacturing in all countries. Rwanda is among few countries to ban plastic. They are using paper bags instead. One of the initiatives in the US is the Plastic Bank. The Plastic Bank is a social enterprise which gives income to people who prevent plastic from entering ocean. They also exchange with cell phone charging and sustainable gas stove. Now these solutions could be implemented successfully only when it will get support from people, because we all need to worry about planet Earth and saving Earth from plastic. And let's hope for the best.